If you're on the hunt for the best stand mixer to elevate your home baking game, this video is for you. After testing countless models, we've narrowed down the top 5 stand mixers of 2024 that combine power, versatility, and ease of use. Whether you're whipping up a simple cake or tackling a complex bread recipe, these mixers will make your baking experience smoother and more enjoyable. So, if you're eager to find out which stand mixer suits your needs best, stay until the end. Remember, the products are not in any specific order, so keep watching to catch all the details. And don't forget, all the purchase links are in the description. Let's begin. Now, let's check out the Kitchen Mixer 900 watt 8.5 quart silver by Kitchen in the box. If you've ever had trouble mixing big batches of dough or batter, this mixer could be a game changer for you. The 8.5 quart stainless steel bowl is huge, perfect for when you're baking for a crowd or meal prepping. No more splitting your dough into multiple batches. This thing can handle it all at once. But there's more to it than just size. The 900 watt motor is pretty powerful, handling everything from light batters to heavy doughs without breaking a sweat. It's like having a reliable helper in your kitchen, ready to tackle whatever recipe you throw at it. And with 10 speed settings, you can fine-tune your mixing from a gentle fold to a high-speed whip. Now, I gotta be honest with you, there's one thing that might bug some people. The mixer has a plastic body, which doesn't feel as solid as some all-metal mixers out there. This lighter build can make it wobble a bit during use, especially when you're tilting the head back. And while the big bowl is great for large batches, it can be a bit awkward for smaller recipes, meaning you might need to scrape the sides more often. But here's why a lot of people still love it. The design is super user-friendly. The tilt head makes it easy to add ingredients or switch attachments, and you can toss most parts in the dishwasher for easy cleanup. Plus, it's priced lower than many competitors, so you're getting a lot of bang for your buck. Bottom line, the Kitchen Mixer 900 watt 8.5 quart silver is a solid pick for home bakers who need capacity and power without spending a fortune. It's got its quirks, sure, but its performance and versatility make it worth considering. If you want to know more, I've put a link in the description where you can check it out for yourself. Next up, let's explore the Kitchen Stand Mixer 4.5 plus 5 quart by Kitchen in the box. If you're dealing with limited kitchen space, this mixer is a GM thanks to its dual mixing bowls that nest together. This feature is perfect for maximizing storage, offering both a 4.5 quart stainless steel bowl and a 5 quart food-safe plastic bowl, giving you flexibility based on your mixing needs. What really sets this mixer apart is its 10-speed settings. Whether you're whipping up airy meringues or tackling dense bread dough, this mixer is versatile enough to handle it all, making it a fantastic option for home bakers. However, be aware that it can be somewhat noisy, which might be a consideration if you're sensitive to sound. The tilt head design is another highlight, simplifying the process of changing bowls and attachments. Speaking of attachments, the upgraded aluminum dough hook, flat beater, and stainless steel whisk are all dishwasher safe, which is a huge plus when it comes to cleanup after baking. In terms of aesthetics, this mixer doesn't disappoint. With a variety of color options, you can easily find one that complements your kitchen style. And for the price, it's a great deal. Whether you're new to baking or have been at it for years, it's not without its drawbacks though. Being lighter than some premium models makes it easy to move around. It might struggle a bit with particularly thick doughs. For most tasks, however, it performs admirably. Overall, the Kitchen Stand Mixer 4.5 plus 5 quart is a reliable choice. It offers solid functionality, appealing design, and affordability. If you're looking to enhance your baking experience without a hefty price tag, this mixer could be just what you need. Check out the link in the description. If you're interested in learning more, let's dive into the Howard Electric Stand Mixer 6.5 quarts. This model might not be the most well-known in the mixer market, but it holds great promise for home bakers. If you've been wrestling with stubborn doughs or tricky batters, this mixer could be your solution. It features a robust 660 watt copper motor, which is impressive for its price range. It can tackle bread dough effortlessly. One standout feature of this mixer is its bowl. The 6.5 quart stainless steel bowl is perfect for those who enjoy baking in large quantities. Plus, it comes with a handle, making it easy to maneuver. There's also a transparent splash guard included, which is a nice addition, though it doesn't always fit snugly. So, keep an eye on it to prevent any spills. In terms of speed, you have 10 settings, plus a pulse option. This versatility allows you to mix slowly for dense doughs, or speed up for whipping cream. The tilt head design is another convenient feature, making it simple to add ingredients or change attachments without hassle. For stability, this mixer is equipped with 4 suction cups on its base, which do a good job of keeping it steady, even with heavy mixing. However, there are a couple of drawbacks to note. Some users have mentioned that the Teflon-coated attachments and the bowl may not be as durable as desired. If you plan to use this mixer frequently, it's something to consider. When it comes to value, this mixer offers a lot for its price. It's not as expensive as some high-end models, yet it delivers solid performance. It's also lightweight and user-friendly, making it ideal for beginners or those with limited kitchen space. Plus, it boasts a sleek design and comes in various colors, so it should blend well with most kitchen decors. In summary, a Hauer electric stand mixer, 6.5 quarts, is a great option for home bakers. It offers excellent features and performs well, especially given its price. While there are a few minor issues to be aware of, it's certainly worth considering. If you're interested in checking it out, there's a link in the description below. Introducing the Cuisinart Stand Mixer 5.5 QUARTS, a potential game changer for baking enthusiasts. Having used it for some time, I can confidently say it's quite remarkable. The 500-watt motor is powerful enough to handle dense doughs effortlessly, saving your arms from the strain of manual kneading. One of the standout features is its 12-speed settings, offering precise control for various mixing tasks. Whether you're gently folding in delicate ingredients or whipping up a fluffy meringue, this mixer has you covered. The tilt-back head design adds convenience, making it easy to switch attachments mid-recipe. Speaking of attachments, this mixer comes with a chef's whisk, dough hook, flat mixing paddle, and a splash guard with a pour spout. These accessories are incredibly versatile and have become staples in my kitchen for a range of recipes. The splash guard is particularly handy, preventing flour from dusting your entire kitchen. In terms of aesthetics, the mixer is quite appealing, available in colors like ruby red and periwinkle blue, allowing it to complement your kitchen decor. It's constructed from die-cast metal, ensuring durability, but this also means it's on the heavier side, which is worth considering if you plan to move it frequently. However, it's not without its drawbacks. The mixer can be a bit noisy, especially when working with tougher doughs. While this isn't a deal breaker for me, it's something to keep in mind if you're sensitive to noise. As for the price, it's not the most budget-friendly option, but considering the quality and features, it's a worthwhile investment for regular bakers. Plus, it comes with a reassuring 3-year warranty. In conclusion, whether you're a novice or an experienced baker, this mixer is a reliable choice that can elevate your baking experience. It's been a dependable tool in my kitchen, significantly enhancing my baking endeavors. If you're interested in exploring it further, there's a link in the description with more details. Let's dive into the amazing Kukli Stand Mixer, powerhouse for home bakers. Unlike some mixers that struggle with dense doughs, this one stands out with its 660-watt motor, effortlessly tackling tough doughs. If you're passionate about baking bread or whipping up large batches of cookies, this mixer is a game changer. The bowl is a standout feature, boasting a massive 9.5 quart capacity made of stainless steel. It's perfect for those who bake for large gatherings or do meal prep. Imagine making 7 dozen cookies in one go. However, if you prefer smaller batches, the size might feel a bit excessive, but having extra space is often better than not enough. With 10 speed settings and a pulse option, this mixer offers great versatility. Whether you're gently folding ingredients or mixing at high speed, it has you covered. The planetary mixing action ensures thorough mixing, but you won't need to scrape the bowl constantly. As for attachments, it includes the essentials: dough hook, flat beater, wire whip, and a pouring shield. They're all dishwasher safe, which is a huge convenience. However, some users have noted that the paddle's durability could be improved, so keep that in mind. In terms of aesthetics, it doesn't disappoint. Available in colors like ruby red and lavender, it can add a pop of color to your kitchen. The suction cups on the base are a thoughtful addition, keeping it stable even at high speeds. When it comes to cost, it's quite reasonable. You get a lot of mixer for your money without the hefty price tag of some other brands. Plus, they're 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Customer support is a reassuring feature if you encounter any issues. So, if you're looking for a powerful mixer with ample capacity and don't want to break the bank, the COOKLE is worth considering. It's not flawless, but it certainly delivers. For more details, check out the link in the description.